Previously on the trip to Enugu, you followed me and my brother all the way from Omonze through the express, Bending Milk in Hill Road to this new market. Today, we will go into the city. Gong Gong, Camp Old Park, Uwani Road, Gariki Onaga, Banyozubo, boss will leave you. Okay, on New Loud Kenaga. Driver Chaloka Banye, New Loud. As you enter, take a seat because today we are going to drive around Enugu. If you see where you lived in or live in, your former or present workplace, your alma mater, let me know in the comments and tell me your Enugu story. I want to connect with you on Enugu levels. The YouTube comment space never fills up. Don't be afraid, type away below. All you monitoring spirits, this is your opportunity to show your Achara in this 2021. That behavior of consuming content after content without contributing is a virus that ended with 2020. Stop hovering and perch somewhere this year. Enugu? We are in Enugu, and if you grew up in Enugu, you will know that there is no dulling in Enugu. Please don't forget to like and share the video if it delivers on nostalgia. Have you? Let's go. I got the main road. Okay, Ozi Road. This is the popular mango in Secretariat. Hi! Chira Ridgeway Road. Under this mango and this one. There were women that sold mangoes here in those days. And with those women, you will never know the season of mango. They had mangoes all year round. Okay, look at this one. Just one. But in those days, all of them will line up here. Hi! This is Upper Avenue. Chopper now before. Rally na chopper. Side like grifter. The only place is again. Why not? All your memories, all the fond memories were created here. I see you Google. Chopper like grift. How do you get back a shop? How do you ever this motor park now? Cheaper. This is, if you go straight, it's Old Park. Bata is on the right. It's in those days. Hi. Main market. So that one is Old Park to UNTH. And then if you take right at the end of it, Prisons is there as well. If you take right at the end of, go down to New Market. Then left of that is Akwata and then Camp. But we're going to access that through another road. Ogbete main market. Banina Luchikochafia. Hey, Nigeria. See the whole place, market, left, right, and center. Hey, and after they say that Ihe Sirike, who are the people buying all these clothes? Welcome to Ogbete main market. Onyalo Ogbete. See the entrance there, where salad ingredients people were staying. Holy Ghost Cathedral. The mother for the church or for myself. Holy Ghost. Then look at the main road. Kandanos. Look at how they took the road. I don't know how. Look at the church. See, on the road, they just took one lane. Eh? Can you imagine? They took one lane here. I'm watching and get. Hey. Okay, that one is Mother of Christ Hospital. The rail behind this place, if you take that, you come out at that dangerous bridge. If you've ever crossed that bridge on foot, let me know in the comments. That rail bridge there, behind there. I don't know if it's still true because this place looks so built up, man. And then the central library should be around here. That's it. See the library. This was the library we were coming to every Saturday then, and those Edosian guys, one day they took us through the rail bridge, and man, nah, we don't take no. Hey, local building can't take a bus. This is P&T, that's OGUI Road on the other side. This is P&T quarters on the left. The same look, madre. No renovation, nothing. Look at their roofs. Hey, they've sold the whole apartment to shops. Madre. Before now November full bridge, This is Zik Avenue, Namda Zikiwe Avenue. This building is so wild. On the left is Edinburgh Road. This is the same rail. If you take here, look at that. The people can go here. Papa, you know they see Leventis, man. What are they doing here now? It's like MTN has taken over the building. And Genesis Restaurant. And that's Metro Cinema. Metro Cinema. And this is where Ekenedi Lichuku bus terminal used to be. It's still there, but it's no longer functional. Oh dear, you need to change. That is it. Mbosimbia na jibo. Obuna hamichicha the whole place. Okwadi odeba and also neat in Sichego business in Madison. HRC Enugu. If you're an alumnus of HRC Enugu, indicate below. And that's 6th Avenue Primary School over there. 6th Avenue. That's Edosian Street. If you go down, Kenyatta Market from here. Lobito Boutique is on that side too. Lobito Boutique. It's just CIC. Ozadi, I'm not sure. And Kaije, what do you ever see? Oh yeah. Oh, Memorial Center there. Body Leaves Eastern Nigerian Medical. Guys, announcement on Body Leaves Eastern Nigerian Medical Center. What do you ever go? Yeah, they go fence. Yeah, fence big guard.
Big guard, Memorial.
Uwani General Hospital. CIC. They don't do CIC. But I never also. I think any guy come. Okay, get how they go number the code. How they go baby guard. See a water roof. Hey! Yeah, you know they change. Madre. CCIC Gate, College of Immaculate Conception. What are you people feeling like? In those days, they used to feel like they are better than others. The bar. Traffic is there. Eh? I'm going to get it or no? When we are turning here because there's so much traffic up there, we would have taken camp, but let's go down 6th Avenue.
Traffic is too much. And I go to Obele, just set a camp small. I don't need that.
Afia.
I am about camp. There's only about that. About a year before it's in camp. Colliery, yes.
Colliery, Imani Gachago camp in a Jazzy Iton Nakwatan. Colliery quarters. Banugo. Banugo, that place, about the road to get split. Is it? Ever one way for Jija, then one way for nothing. So we are rejoining 6th Avenue now. Bodman, Rap City Jams is around here. Rap City Jams. Rap City is a quack or cadia. What do you call Bodman? What do you call Bodman? Then Christchurch is around here. And with that comes Uwani River Primary School. That school that used to take first in marching every year. Right? Or is it Ekulu? Between them and Ekulu though. Look at it, yeah. That's Christchurch. And that Sacred Heart is on the left. Sacred Heart Church. This is Sacred Heart Church. New market, ESO. Yeah, police college. Police college. Even you had a march past. A dress in fine. What do you call bus stop? Boss Uwani. Hey! Nah. Boss Uwani in those days. This is ESO. This place is called ESO, but that school is Uwani Road Primary School. Nazugwa. Eba police college. I had a procession. Hey, on a towant. I had the mother nocha. Then on one man names restaurant there, no. Hey, how do you go so phone book at the woman names? Chinek. Even Eba no one here they call Mechanic Village on the left. Look at that hill. Hey, what's this one driving? So this is the boundary between camp and the rest. There's some people that live on this side, they say that they're not part of Co-Campo because you know we used to give Co-Camp people mouth in those days. So some people, that's Mbanugo, that street there. It's never a gigaton. Lucian Camp.
Traffic and then.
Obogodu motor parts side there and the motor parts. What they free? This place is on building material. Then motor spare parts. Oh, I'm bago. I don't know if they still have that coal camp bus, so I've not seen any of them. It's like Keke has taken over. Coal camp people, are you there? You guys need to give me a special gift for showing you your side, eh? Coal camp. Hi. Chukwa in the streets. Nah, nostalgic. Nostalgic. Hey, no, look like a traffic guard.
Traffic, that is in Kajan. One way.
Mokwan was the quite true. Chelona go, Chelo. When I go on the Keka, I choose. Hey, Bamba, Daga. Oh, Mama car one way because one way Juna Campa. Nah, man, we need to turn here, man. That market there usually causes a lot of slow-mo movement. You see, down there. That market down there, that motor parts market. Uwani street. If you grew up here, let me know, because a lot of people in Enugu grew up here. Their grandparents lived here. And they had their parents, and then their parents moved to Achara layout, Uwani. Yeah, this is the root, the grassroots. This is the grassroots of Enugu. A lot of families in Enugu were born here, started from here. So if you're coming back from Akwata,
one of the oldest towns.
Oh, the oldest now. Back Enugu was okay. OGUI. I'm between camp and OGUI. Oh, Ikeketuri in this country. Survival of the fittest. So we're going back. We've tried. We don't have much time to spend here, so. It's na street. Yeah, judge.
I said one road.
I don't know. Going to get the whole length of the see real estate. I just real estate. What are Robinson? Koda Zio Kos Susan. Look at this one is like it goes into the hill. Wow, boss camp. Old Back, New Market. Camp Old Back, New Market. Obunike Street. All these keke, they have taken over everything. I don't know if merry-go-round is still there. You pay 2 naira then, and it will take you everywhere. You can even sleep on the bus. Olo New Market had you to. If you want to see Enugu, that's why it was called the merry-go-round. You just enter that bus. It goes everywhere. But if you're in a hurry, you better not enter that bus.
Every bus stop.
Hey, Akosi, they will be there waiting for all the passengers. They will not move until they see another bus coming to that bus stop, and then they will hit their hand on the bus, and the bus will move. Hey. Up to Gariki.
Last bus stop.
But Tachimin Peninsula out. ABS. We remember ABS na Pioneer. Oh, I have a Chaban in a way. That is it. If you're in a hurry. But that bus saved students a lot then, because like students of IMT or SU that were going to those inner part of Enugu that only taxis went to in those days. That bus saved a lot of people, even students that were going to school, like even primary school, secondary school students. If you're schooling at Queens, in those days they used to take only taxis to that side. But once that bus came out, and it was the same price with the other buses.
Small Joe bus. Na bounce.
Oba break on no motor. Oh yeah, on a fear before August.
Police. They were producing standing or sitting or
hanging or hanging at door.
Now your silver coins. That was when Nigerian
currency was strong.
Exchange rate was about 50 kobo to $1.
Oh yeah. But it was 500 naira to $1. I call some people. When you're telling some people that there was a time the naira was even stronger than the pound, they don't agree. They don't believe it.
Younger people now, they didn't experience it.
Even people that are our age mates, there was a time we had this argument in one group, and I was like, man, I thought you were my age group. Where were you? Were you dozing? So this is Abani Road. This road leads you straight to Gariki. It's now a dual carriageway.
That time
it used to be one lane.
That time, that our family friend Naomi used to go to Italy on Friday, come back on Sunday.
The shoe merchant. This one goes to Edo Riverside. Road. So yes, real estate. Real estate to be here forever. Look at Kana Kawana go no the kilo. The Kamakasi well located Enugu.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Not just I don't know. I don't know. By the age we left Enugu was maybe that's why I had that memory, strong memory of Enugu, and it hasn't changed much. They maintained the streets. Apart from like this one that they dualized, it's the same street. It's the same road.
You know, Abani Road has always been wide. It's just that it was not demarcated.
Yes, it has always been wide.
It's been very wide.
We take Nise Street. This is Nise Street. Before her change the next one. All these small buses now, but as Ime City. There's in the way here. See real estate. You can go into real estate from here. No, I see it. No changes. The only thing that the buildings are so old now. You see this building here? It used to have one phone booth here. There was one supermarket here, and there was that phone booth here that we used to come and queue up. You queue up to make a call here. See real estate building. That's Ngo Park behind this place. Kaigawazin. This is Bishop ANYOGU Street. Bishop ANYOGU. From here, you go on to University of Nigeria, Enugu campus, Queen's School, WTC, Urban Girls, City Girls, ASU. Like you go to a lot of places from here, but we need to go to Achara layout. So we turn here. This is Okuzo Street. Okuzo. All these happening streets in those days. Umo one in 8080. Yeah, Pitoko, Kevin as one. Now, Plano Street.
I'm guys in car with the Quazo.
As well, Kayeta. Mako traffic na that one Kayeta. This is Adelabu, this street here. Adelabu Street. Goes down to Kayeta to the left. This is Amokwe Street. Down to Kayeta Street, Kayeta Market. That's Emmanuel Anglican Church over there. This is Emmanuel Anglican Church gate. School or church hall. And this is Obioma Street. Emily's restaurant is down there. I don't know now. This is Obioma Street. See Symbol Hospital. Hi. Okay. Then Kesa for this man. Nele pharmacy here. Or no here. Kisa for her. Kamechi Street. Hey, Kisa for her. Yeah, Amechi Street. Amechi Street. Symbol Hospital. This one is Umuakum on the right. Umuakum Street. This is my Ogbe. That's Obianodo Street. This is my Gogo Ogbe. This area. That's why I remember it so much. This is. Which one is this one? Uncle Zawumu no go nka wolo Umuakum. Amazim the two ofu Umuakum ofu Umunogo Street. Yeah. I can't remember. But this one is we are on his Okolado Street. They say yeah the course of her. Get me say yeah the course of her before. They are old yard. Okay, every roof here. Hey, yeah, but back also her before her mother and brother. Cause see it, are you there? So this Ugwaji Street. Ugwaji Street. Ebanine from here down used to be bush before you get to our block of flats. But Ebanine if I'm talking, hey, Chineke. Hey, dust. Oh, the Galoza, or maybe go maybe. Even I bet I'm Enugu bound Alushaloza. Why I got her? I came to Enugu that time to do something. I wasn't what of a bed. Nezenu be captain. Nezenu no 20 flats. Hey, can't get to timber shed. Can't lobby. Oh no, Chalo, wait, cool down, wait. Or be Captain Harry. Oh yeah, the Captain Harris house there. Hey, God, Captain Harris used to be here. Hey, wow, Chineke, God. See our compound here. They re-roofed it. It wasn't like this before. Hey, madre mia. Look at that empty plot. It's now a school. Hey, this is where we used to live when we lived in Enugu. Hey, our yard though, our yard. See Mamu's over cover. See Hotel Edidas Hotel. This used to be Rangers camp in those days, and girls will be fighting here on Valentine's Day. Hey, Etudo. All these places used to be empty. It was starred before, eh? Oh, because just here, from here to. Hey, Chineke, God.
This is the correct paint.
Correct paint, brown and red. Hey, wow. Yeah, the Karuha. And this used to be an empty, like all these places. From this place down was farm, bush. All these places. Hey, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Oh, no. Okay, my hospital. Here, hi. Look at farm. We were farming here now. Hey. Chine, there's an empty plot that you Rebecca also. Alugia no. They cost cosite. They had the cost of heavy. The 2-story building. There's a million. Hey, echekwa m na-etu da na atali ata o. Really? Look at those, This is Akpo Street. Hey, Eba used to be an empty plot. Now, but I can just supermarket and bar. Supermarket now because I had a balcony. Let's supermarket that black building. This is Akpo Street.
This side.
Oh wow, let's turn.
It's turning. Let's see about one.
Like how bad or ever looks so bad. Okay, now Akpo now.
Okay, Akpo the sharp.
Akpo the sharp. Hey, God, oh God, childhood memories. Yeah, keke juicy ebedi ine. Kosi te see your yard. Hey, this is our OGUI in those days. Coming to take novels. Look at. Hey, Abakrisent. Forever I attach. Imagine Achara. I don't know when Bata that's etudo. Let's but people see me busy like that. I see my just Nebe Okonkwo, the man that acted Okonkwo, the Igbo version. He used to live here. He's late now. He's from my hometown. That's why I know him. This is Abakrisent. This is we lived there. That building.
This house is more than 30-something years.
Hey, since so whether modern or way to. This is Uwani Street.
Okay, look at my logo.
I bought one carry here. All the off from here. Okay, there's somewhere down there. Look at this one. You paint here. They're not trouble white. Yeah, look at it. This is Uwani Street. So, can you hide walk it? How come man I walk to one side the quaint, no?
Yes,
because I know this is Ochi. With the bag. It's bad. This is the other one is John Abu. So in Ochi. This one is still a Uwani Street. See May Blossom, one of the first private schools. This school was opened when there was nothing like private schools. Not today that every nook and cranny is a private school. This was our route to school in those days. Right. Chineke. St. Paul's. St. Paul's Catholic Church. That one is Abani Road. We were on that road before we veered off at real estate. This one goes on to Ido River layout. This one goes down to Gariki, Okunano town, Okunano layout as well, because that our street is Okunano Street, but in Achara layout. But that one is Okunano area.